Bahrain has made a far-reaching and strategically significant investment in its national defense posture by securing a $445 million sustainment agreement with the United States to ensure the long-term operational readiness of its F-16 fighter jet fleet, a move that reflects the shifting priorities of modern air forces toward readiness, resilience, and life cycle dominance rather than rapid platform replacement. Approved under the U.S. Foreign Military Sales (FMS) program, the agreement is designed to provide comprehensive support for the Royal Bahraini Air Force's F-16s, which remain the cornerstone of the country's air combat, air defense, and precision strike capabilities. At a time when regional tensions, asymmetric threats, and rapid technological change are reshaping the security landscape of the Gulf, Bahrain's decision to focus on sustainment highlights a pragmatic defense strategy aimed at preserving credible air power while controlling costs and ensuring uninterrupted operational availability. The support package is expected to cover an extensive range of critical elements, including spare parts replenishment, engine maintenance and overhauls, airframe sustainment, avionics and radar support, mission system software updates, ground support equipment, and contractor-provided engineering and technical assistance. These components are essential for maintaining high mission-capable rates, reducing maintenance bottlenecks, and extending the service life of aircraft that continue to play a decisive role in both national defense and coalition operations. Beyond the physical maintenance of the aircraft, the deal places significant emphasis on training, technical expertise, and operational continuity, ensuring that Bahraini pilots, engineers, and maintenance crews remain proficient in operating and sustaining advanced combat aircraft to U.S. Air Force and allied standards. This focus on human capital is particularly important as fighter fleets age, requiring more sophisticated diagnostics, software management, and precision maintenance to maintain peak performance and safety. Defense analysts point out that sustainment-focused agreements of this scale are becoming increasingly common among allied air forces, as the rising costs of next-generation fighters, global supply chain pressures, and lengthy delivery timelines make it strategically essential to extract maximum operational value from existing platforms. For Bahrain, whose strategic location places it at the heart of Gulf airspace and critical maritime routes, maintaining a fully operational and responsive F-16 fleet is vital for air sovereignty, deterrence, and rapid response to emerging threats. The agreement also reinforces Bahrain's ability to operate seamlessly alongside U.S. and coalition forces, a key factor given the country's long-standing role as host to the U.S. Navy's Fifth Fleet and its regular participation in joint exercises and multinational security operations. From Washington's perspective, the $445 million deal reflects a continued commitment to supporting a close regional partner while promoting stability through enhanced defensive readiness rather than destabilizing force expansion. U.S. officials have emphasized that sustainment packages like this one strengthen interoperability, improve safety and reliability, and ensure allied air forces remain capable of contributing meaningfully to shared security objectives. For Bahrain, the agreement represents more than a maintenance contract. It is a long-term strategic investment in air power credibility, pilot readiness, and operational resilience. By prioritizing sustainment over rapid fleet replacement, Bahrain signals its intent to maintain a capable, modernized, and combat-ready air force well into the future, ensuring that its F-16s remain a dependable pillar of national defense and a stabilizing force within the broader Gulf security architecture.